Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? I hope you are all well with your family. I am also well. Now I am starting the new lesson. At first, I will show two pictures. Dear student, you will look at the blackboard and see the picture. In picture 1, do you know who is this man? This man is the father of nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The next picture is National Mausoleum. I think the two pictures are pride. Today's lesson is our pride. Lesson 6 in 14. Lesson 14. Our pride. Now, my student, open the book in page number 47. Our pride. Now, I am read out the passage loudly. All of you listen carefully and read out the passage silently. For the people of Bangladesh, March is a month of unforgettable memories. Memories of pride as well as of sorrow and grief. It is a month of proud memories because in this month in 1971, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh. In the early hours of the 26th March, shortly before his arrest by the Pakistani army, Bangabandhu declared the independence of Bangladesh. Now, 26th March is our Independence Day, which we celebrate annually with pride and joy. But March is also a month of sad memories for us. On the 25th March 1971, the Pakistani army swooped upon the Bengalis. All of my students include the passage. All of you underline this important sentence and important word. I think on the 25th March 1971, the Pakistani army swooped upon the Bengalis. This is an important sentence. They killed many unarmed, the innocent men, women and children in Dhaka. The Bengalis did not let it go unchallenged. They started resisting Pakistani army and the war of liberation began. On the 16th December of the same year, a new nation, independent Bangladesh, was born. This is why December 16 is our Victory Day, when the Pakistani army surrendered unconditionally. This is another important sentence. We, the Bengalis, celebrate our Victory Day by remembering the roles of our fearless freedom fighters. On the other hand, we sadly remember all the sufferings that our pride endured during the Liberation War. My student, all of you underline this sentence, and this is another important sentence. in this lesson. We pay our deep respect to the martyrs who gave their lives for the independence of Bangladesh. Along with celebrating our Victory Day, every year we should make a pledge to work unitedly to build the Sonar Bangla that Bangabandhu dreamed of. I hope all of the students understood the passage and all of you underline the new word and new sentence. Now we will discuss in section B. My student, look at the blackboard. I will show a word chart. This is new word including this passage. I will discuss this word and all of you note down your exercise book or khata. The first word is grief. In mental suffering, the meaning of grief is in mental suffering or distress over affliction or loss. Synonyms are agony, despair, and antonyms are blessing, contentment. The next word is soup. This is a verb word. The meaning of soup is to come down upon something in a sudden. Synonyms are died, fall. Antonyms are ascend, rise. The next word is endure. Endure is a verb. The meaning of endure is to hold out against. And synonyms are stay on, put up with, stick it out. Antonyms are run away, quit, move, leave. The next word is pledge. Pledge is a noun word. The meaning of pledge is a solemn promise or agreement to do or refrain from doing something. Synonyms are promise, agreement, and its antonyms are is break. I hope all of you students understood this new word. Now I am going in next session. Passage, you need to know some multiple choice. All of the students, this question read carefully and solve the answer. The first question is, which of the following word is not synonym of the word surrender? This option is give in, yield, resist, agree. This right answer is resist. The next question, the word so means. All of my students, in the previous time, you will know the synonym word of soup. So I think all of you answer this question. These 4 options, one option is attack, help, encourage, destroy. This right answer is attack. Number 3, which one of the words has opposite meaning to fearless? Cowardly, brave, dauntless, violent. This right answer is cowardly. The word grief means. All of you answer this question: happiness, unhappiness, pain, suffering. The right answer is unhappiness. Number 5, we should make a pledge to work unitedly to build the Sonar Bangla that Bangabandhu dreamed of. What does pledge means? Option A, declare, B, promise, C, pride, D, think. This right answer is promise. Now I hope all of you understood this section. Next I will discuss in section D. I think there are 2 columns. In this section, in column A, in column B. Now my student, your work is match a word in column A with in column B that has similar meaning. I see that the left column there are some words such as annually, heroic, liberation, surrender, endure, place. And the right side we see some words: encourage, freedom, once a year, promise, to bear, to admit defeat, and give up. Now all of my students, before time, all of the word we discuss and point out the sentence. Now we matching this sentence. At first, annually. Annually, this similar word, annually, once a year. Heroic, courageous, liberation, freedom, surrender to admit defeat and give up, endure, to bear, place, promise. I hope all of you understand this section, and my question, you ask any question, you ask me and I will answer you. In the next class, your homework is page number 44, A2. Answer the following question. Your homework is answer the following question. Answer the following question A to D. Thank you, my student. All of you, stay safe, stay home, maintain your social distance. Allah Hafiz.